Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and breakfast enthusiast.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for pancakes that just happen to be gluten-free. They're inspired by a popular 3-ingredient recipe with banana, egg, and cinnamon. Instead of a spice, we're calling in almond flour, which gives the pancakes fluffy structure and a nutty flavor. Just mash it together and the batter is done. I like keeping these guys sorta small. They're cute, right? When the pancakes are bouncy, they're ready. And that's pancakes in 3 ingredients. Let's eat!